Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Netflix. In this PHP video, I'm going to tell you how to delete a data from your MySQL database on clicking on a delete text. For example, we have a form, let's say this file as delete.php, and I'm going to open this file. I have saved in PHP, so delete.php. Now, first of all, I need to display the data over here. So for displaying the data, we need to make a table. I'm making a quick table in which both the records will be displayed. If you want to know how to display a data and wants its full explanation, you can watch my video on the YouTube of displaying data from database using PHP. In that video, I have explained you all the things like how to display a data from your database. So in a quick short, I am going to write this how to display a data. Then after that, we are going to just like do the delete stuff on our database. So here I'm going to display echo. We have a row name and marks. So here my records has been displayed. So here undefined functions MySQL IFetch station. So here my records is displayed. I can put here a border of 1 and width of 80%. So this is my table. If I'm going to like add anything over here, it is going to display at the bottom of my table. So now what I want to do here is I want to add a delete button over here. So in order to add a delete button, I need to just like put up a heading of delete. And now I'm going to write here as anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, I'm going to write here as delete button. So here comes my delete button. So by clicking on a delete button, I want that this particular data should be deleted. So in order to delete my data, first of all, I need to add an ID field that is auto incremented and primary. Primary means it has a unique value. So I need to go it in the structure part. In the structure part, I will be adding up one column at the beginning of table. So go. After clicking on go, I will write here as ID, its type as integer, length as 11, and the most important is I want to define here as primary. So what does primary key means? Primary key basically provides unique number to your each record. So it should be auto incremented. Auto incremented means it is automatically incremented. I don't need to add a particular record in this ID column. I will be like explaining you a bit further. If so, by clicking on a save button, if we click on a browse button, so check here that 1 2 3 4 is automatically being incremented and is added. For example, if I just put here as XYZ and marks as 200, so if I'm going to click on a save the form, so and if I'm going to check it here as browse, then automatically the fifth ID is being generated and the value of XYZ and 200 is being added over here. So what I now want to do here is I want to click a delete button. If I'm going to click on this delete, I need to delete this particular record. For that, first of all, I need to display my ID over here, ID here also, so that it should be a you can get a better clarification of how to delete an ID. So here row ID, after row ID, I need to just on this delete button, I will create an anchor tag and I will create a link of file of the same file in which like I'm right now displaying my data. So here I will be generating my custom query string. So question mark did equals to, let it be echo row id. So if I'm going to refresh here, if like you can just look at the status bar over here, this portion of your window, if you are using a Chrome browser. So by just if I'm putting my cursor on first delete button of ID1, then it has a URL of localhost php delete did equals to 1. So if I am going to put my cursor on the second record, then here it is showing me did equals to 2. Question mark did equals to 2. So here question mark did equals to 3, 4 and 5. So if I am now going to click on the third delete button, so delete button, it is going to refresh my page. As for example, delete, if I'm going to click on a delete button, so it's here my page is been refreshing and my URL is being changed with localhost php delete question mark did equals to 3. If I am going to click on a second record, it is going to display at question mark did equals to 2. So page is refreshing every time I click on an anchor tag button. And here I am going to do a coding stuff. If not empty dollar underscore get did. So if my did is not empty, dollar underscore get did, I will be getting an ID, whatever ID is present over in my URL that will be fetched in my ID variable. And here I am going to just execute a query delete from student where ID equals to ID. So what does this query perform? It will be doing as delete from student. It will be deleting from a student where id equals to id. So currently right now gid is having the value of 2. That 2 value is been picked from here and is being placed in the id variable, and here it will be deleting the record of second. It will be deleting the second id record from the student table. And if mysql I again, like I have to put it into your if condition. So if MySQL ID connect query echo record deleted echo record not deleted. So this will be my final query, like delete from the student where id equals to id. So if this query has been executed, the message will be displaying as record deleted. Otherwise, message will be displaying as record not deleted. So if I'm going to like click on the first ID, first delete text, and the DID is being passed over here, that DIDs will be picked and stored in the ID variable and delete from student where ID equals to ID. So first number record will be deleted from your database, and here it is deleted, like so it's deleted. And if mysql I underscore query is executed, then the record deleted message has been, like record deleted message has been like displayed. And when we are going to fetch this records, because first of all your record will be deleted, and at the end part your query will be, the fresh records will be fetched from your database. So in that particular case, the first record is being deleted, and your table will display all the records except your first one record that is being deleted in your when we click on a delete button. So this was all about your delete, how to delete data from your MySQL database with the help of PHP. I hope you like my videos. Do remember to subscribe my channel for getting all the latest updates of PHP tutorials and many more programming languages. Like if you like my videos, do like my videos and make a comment, do share my videos. Thanks for watching my video.